All right, so this is going to by far be one of the most important videos that I will make on this channel. And if I get some good response on it, maybe I'll even do more videos like this, because a lot of people are going to skip away right now. They're not going to watch until the very end. But if you stick with me, I promise you, I'm going to reveal some things in this video that could be the start of your online income journey. Now, I'm not promising that this is going to make you a millionaire overnight, but if you put in some effort and if you implement some of the things I'm going to show you in this video, you will be well on your way to making this thing happen as fast as possible. Now let's get right into it. What I'm going to show to you in this video is going to make you at least $1,000 a month if you stick with it for the long term, and if you do some of the things that I lay down here, because this is literally what I do for other people as a marketing strategist. This is what I help business owners, online business owners do. And I realized that I'm just going to run an experiment by myself and just show you how it's done. So let's get into it. This is a combination of AI, marketing, and affiliate marketing, using a software like ChatGPT, using a website like Facebook, running ads on Facebook, and finding companies that do affiliate marketing that you can plug into and make money for yourself. What I've done basically is to create a lead gen machine that I can put on autopilot that's going to generate leads for me, and I can sell those leads affiliate products. And this is going to be a long-term thing for myself, but I'm going to reveal it to you in this video. I don't care if you steal it. I don't care if you duplicate it, if you do the same thing. May the best man win. That's my strategy for this video. So let's get right into it. As you know, affiliate marketing is something that I am really passionate about. I've talked about on this channel a lot, and it's something that helped me, catapulted me from working a 9-to-9 sales job to now traveling the world as digital nomad. I still make money from affiliate marketing, from my second YouTube channel, and that's what I've always done. I believe so much in affiliate marketing as being a business model that anyone can start and make good money doing it. So the first thing you want to do is to find something that people are passionate about. You want to find a passionate audience that you can sell something to, that are interested in buying things, that will spend any amount of money just to get better at something or to find entertainment in something. So once you've determined that that passionate audience, you want to match them with a product. What is it that they're interested in, and how can you be the middleman between the passionate audience and that product and bring them together? That is where affiliate marketing comes in. And I discovered a niche that I've helped clients in this niche, so I know that there's a passionate audience in this niche, and it's a crocheting niche. Crocheting, just like knitting, a lot of people, especially women, are interested in crocheting. They want to use it to, cure stress, or just build a passion project, for crocheting. So that is the niche that I've selected. Now, how do I drive traffic? I know there's an audience in crocheting, and how do I drive traffic to my products or to my landing page to collect leads so I can sell something to them? I use Facebook ads in doing that. I'm not going to sit here and tell you, some free traffic methods that you can use, but if you're serious about building a business online, of course, traffic methods can work. And I still recommend that you start with traffic method, but I just feel like if you have some, extra money laying around that you don't use, I'm not $5 a day, then you can start generating leads right away, like right now in the next 1 hour, as soon as you finish watching this video. So I've picked the niche crocheting. I am using Facebook ads to drive traffic. And another important piece is to collect those leads and connect those leads to a product that I found online. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that step by step, finding the products. How do you collect those leads? What do you offer them as a lead magnet? And how do you build your landing pages, in fact? So let's get right into it. I hope this video is not too long, but if it is, you can click away. But if you want to make money, stick around. Now, the first thing I want to do, the approach I want to use here is to build a landing page, offer something like a free email course or a free ebook that I can use to attract people. They sign up for that, and I will send them that free material, that free resource, and I will add them to an email sequence in which I will promote my affiliate product. So how do you find this free resource, this free material? There are certain websites that do this, that provide to you everything you need, from ebooks to articles to email sequences. And these websites are called PLR websites, private label rights websites. They're very exclusive websites that not so many talk about. And a good example is exclusiveniches.com. If you're looking at my screen right now, this is exclusiveniches.com. As you can see, they sell things like articles, audios, ebooks, graphics, autoresponder messages, scripts and plugins, softwares, templates and themes. and videos. Now on this website, all I just did was come to, in the search bar, I typed in a keyword like crocheting. I need material. I need something like an ebook, like an e-course, something to just offer to, my audience for free. And I typed in the keyword crocheting and I find a lot of different things: crocheting articles, crocheting, ebooks. So what you want to do is pick one of these things. It could be an article, it could be an ebook, it could be a free email course. But what I did was to find, crocheting for fun and profits ebook, and I bought it. It cost me $14.95, about $15. And with this course comes something like a free email course. It comes with autoresponders, came with 50 articles inside that $14.95. So I know this is a very good place to start. So now that I have my resource that I want to give to people for free, the next thing I want to do is to put this free resource on a landing page. As you know, I talked about different landing page builders that you can use, System.io, lead pages, and so on and so forth. But for the purpose of this video, I've decided to use landing page because, say what you want about landing page, it'd be a little bit expensive than System.io, but I just love the designs on leadpages.com. So right now, all of this website that you're looking at, this is crochetgenius.com. Again, I picked a domain name. You want to be as serious as possible. So I picked the domain name crochetgenius.com and I built out a complete landing page with, a landing page form. So what you can see right here is my ebook, which I've bought on exclusiveniches.com, the PLR ebook. And I'm essentially selling this ebook, right? But before I sell this ebook, there's another landing page that I want to show you, and it's the free e-course. The e-course that came with this ebook, I created a different landing page for that, and I'm offering that as my free resource. So for this experiment I'm doing, I'm offering my free e-course as the free resource. So once people come here, they click on that, they enter their first name and email address, and I send them the e-course. And on the landing page, I actually offer them an ebook that they can purchase for about $34. Now, I still am doing some experiment with the pricing, but I will let you know how this experiment actually goes, because this is still in the very early stages and I'm still testing this out. But this is what I already do for people. The people make a lot of money from this, especially coaches and online educators who in different niches. So this actually works. So now that I have my landing page, I have my product, I have my free resource, how do I actually build this landing page? And that is where AI comes in. Now, the entire landing page that you're looking at right now, the copy, the headlines, I would say about 65% of what you're looking at, about 70% of what you're looking at was created using ChatGPT. This is what it looks like to use ChatGPT to build something. Now, when I wanted to pick out the domain name, I asked ChatGPT, I said, give me some domain name examples for a crocheting training website. It gave me 10 different domain name examples, and I actually went with crochetgenius.com. The website domain name was available. I bought it for $8, and I created a landing page. Now, when it came to building my landing page, right, I asked ChatGPT to help me find, to help me write, a landing page header. So I said, I'm creating a landing page for a free email course on crocheting. On the thank you page, I want to upsell them an ebook. Write me a compelling headline for the upsell page. It gave me a compelling headline: unlock the secrets of crochet mastery with our exclusive ebook. Take your skills to the next level. So right here is the email sequence that I'm actually sending to people after they sign up. I asked ChatGPT, I said, what are the types of emails should I send to nurture an email list of crochet enthusiasts? And it gave me a list of email nurturing sequence. And I said to ChatGPT, write me a sample email for Monday. Keep it short, sweet, and a little funny. And ChatGPT went ahead and wrote me an email sequence to nurture my audience and to sell them something as an affiliate, right? So as you can see right here, this is the landing page that I built, and I've started running ads to this landing page with Facebook. I'm spending about $5 a day, and at this point I've spent about $30 so far, and I've generated almost 90 leads at this moment in time. Not everything is being recorded, I don't know for what reason, but for the e-course I've generated about 40 at this point. It's not recording. About 17 people signed up for the upsell, and the original landing page that I was split testing with generated about 27 leads. As you can see, the landing page for the main offer for the free email course is converting at 55%, while the original landing page that I split tested against converted at 28%. So as you can see, this actually has more conversions than the original landing page. About 100 people visited the landing page, 27 signed up, giving it a 28% conversion. The second landing page I split tested has 71 visitors, 39 conversions at 55%, 55% conversions. And on the upsell page, 37 people visited the upsell page. On the thank you page, 17 people actually signed up for the upsell, meaning 50%, almost 50% of everyone who gets on the upsell page are signing up for the upsell. Of course, I'm still yet to receive a sale, but I'm pretty sure very soon a sale is going to come in. Now, this is how you do it. This is how I've been able to select my product, write my landing page, build my landing page using ChatGPT, using Facebook ads at $5 a day, drive traffic to this website, to this landing page, and started collecting leads. Now, my goal is to use a website like GetResponse to start sending automation emails. Now, what you can see right here are my autoresponders. I'll set up autoresponders for this audience, and I will be sending them out. As you can see right here, I have so many emails already set out in my GetResponse, and I will be promoting products, affiliate products, using this email. And how do I find affiliate products? I just typed into Google. I typed in crochet affiliate programs, and it gave me a lot of affiliate programs. And as you can see right here, I have some actually saved that I will sign up on and start promoting products to. So this is the one that I signed up for. It's called ilikecrochet.com. It's like a magazine for crochet enthusiasts, people who do crocheting. And if you sign up for the magazine, I get a commission. So if I sign up between 1 and 9 subscribers, I get $8 each. If I sign up between 10 to 19 subscribers, I get $10 each. And if I sign up 20 plus subscribers, I get $12 each. So imagine I'm driving traffic to these people. I'm subscribing anywhere from 20 to 50 a month. People, which I know is not impossible given the cost per lead that I'm generating on Facebook at this point in time. So I spent $36. I've generated about 90 leads, meaning I'm generating the lead for 30 cents using Facebook. Now, Facebook is reporting 16 on one account, and on the other account, Facebook tracking is so bad right now. But if you look at the landing page metrics here, I have 27, 38, and 17. So this is about 60 plus about 20. So roughly about 80 leads so far. Spending $35, generating 80 leads. So that's still well under $1 per lead. So if I'm generating leads for under $1, and I'm getting, for this affiliate program, I'm getting $10 for every one that I subscribe. I can subscribe as much as I want, and I will be getting paid every single month as long as they stay subscribed to ilikecrochet.com. So all you have to do is think about ways through which you can find a passionate audience, connect them with a product, and find a product that you can link to that passionate product by being the affiliate between them. And this is one of the good ways to which you can do it. I know this is a broad overview of what I've done, but if you want me to break it down step by step, I can do a series on how to build a landing page with lead pages, on how to find a product, how to run Facebook ads, because that's an essential part of this experiment as well. How do you drive traffic to this product? How do you drive traffic to your landing page so you can give them a free resource and collect that email? So if you're looking for a broad way to do this, I can make a series about this. Just let me know down in the comments. And this is just the way that you do it, even if you have no idea what you want to sell, how you want to drive traffic, how you want to build a landing page, write your sales copy, and all of these things. This is how I do it. Let me know if this video has been helpful, and if you need me to break it down, like I said, let me know down in the comment section down below. My name is Daniel. I hope I see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.